know what is the definition of an idiot? I'm going to tell you. If you look in dictionary, at least in my dictionary, if you look for idiot, you will find the definition as C. Xavier. What I did is I made a video. I wanted to make a video which was about unboxing update 2.2.9, the one I just installed about half an hour ago, and make a video for a live reaction. And guess who forgot to record this video? Your guest and host, whatever you want to call it, Xavier. Therefore, I have to do this video all over again, but I already know what is that about. Very, very disappointing. Therefore, this is not going to be as interesting as it was first time, because I blew it. I blew it big time. But it doesn't prevent me from making another video. Because I've been ranting a lot on this video. You will see why. Let's start again. Stupid brick, Minecraft. I don't care. Just stupid pattern, stupid brick. Who cares? I don't. Is that a vest? I think it was a vest. They call it a vest. Yeah. And the black. Useless. Damn, I'm very salty today. This one, white, I don't know what is that. Useless again. Oh, I would suspect this is for the, yeah, I'll show you a photo of what I think. There's a big figurine. Yeah, not interesting. This one, I was suspecting something like to put in I don't know, in kind of Greek or Roman temple with that kind of pattern. This is definitely for oil company, gas, oil company. I think this is the colors they like to use in Lego when they want to make a petrol station or truck, tanker. I mean, yeah. This one, I have absolutely no idea what they will do with this 2x2 square. No idea whatsoever. Telephone or style with a tape. That's police. Let's put it white. Yeah, moderately interesting. Slop 2x2 with dots. Okay, I guess I don't know what they're going to do with those. Air Canada, I can see something. Air Canada, so obviously goes on an airplane. I would put it on this one. Maybe they come together in one set. Just guessing. 2x4 slope. Where did they put this one? I don't get it. I'm pretty sure this is. Oh, hello. There's a sticker behind. I didn't see it the first time. That's why I didn't figure out. How come they put this brick? It's nothing special about it. No, they put a sticker, but not only they put a sticker. There's something very odd about this one. The sticker sticks out. Look at this. It is a. What are they trying to do with this one? Is that a rendering mistake? I suspect this is for a train. What do they do with that? I have no idea. That means, I mean, you will be able to put side by side another brick. It will fit, but this will not be perfect. You can see that it goes inside the brick on the back. No idea what they're doing with this. Just to make sure there's nothing behind the other one. No, nothing. Okay. This is a new part. I would not say nothing special. That's a new part. That could be useful. I can imagine one or two builds with that. Maybe not as transparent, but with a standard color, yeah. This one, if it comes in red, that means both of those, they come together. Okay, let's stick this one here and that one there. So I'm double checking that I'm recording this time because I'm a bit upset. I've been ranting for almost half an hour and I lost everything. Damn it. So what I was talking, so what is that? Is that for to make some kind of ladybug with a white spot instead of black? Can make ladybug like this? Maybe, but I don't think so. Okay, boring. 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 What kind of color will you get with these stickers? What is that? Nova 500. This one in orange, so this is Arctic sets. Yeah, the Arctic sets looks nice. I'm not fond of the orange, but they do look okay. Then what we have is what I suspect to be the fenders of a car. To be more specific about this, since I already did the review, I know that maybe of a Ferrari. Maybe they're making some kind of model of Ferrari. And when I say left and right, because I put a sticker on, I mean drawing, not necessarily sticker, but a drawing on either side. That's why I have left and right brick. This one, that's a mirror as well, but I don't know what to do with this. Maybe some kind of funny car as well. You can imagine this. This and the next one. Okay, come here. I would also imagine to be something like the back of a car. It's like a windscreen, the back windows. I don't know if they call that the windscreen as well. The back window of a car. What else we have? I've been through this. That's a stupid brick, a plate actually. 1x2 with some color on the side. Dark tan. I don't see much of the point of this. This is where the fun ends. New part, definitely new part. Lego new part. I made one. I designed one myself, very similar to this one. I don't remember if I made exactly the same, but at least with half, only one handle on one side, the square, and no handle, because the one existing is rounded, and I wanted to make a square one. But maybe I made this one, I'm not entirely sure. What else do we have? This, that's probably come for train. I forgot to show this one. Plate modified coupling female. That's probably for a train. It goes probably for a train, I would suspect. Yeah. I'm not familiar with those shapes. Okay. This 1x3. This is a known plate already, just with a pattern on the side. Maybe for Minecraft. Maybe do something like this. Yeah, maybe whatever. This is one of the parts I'm very upset about. this part, I already designed it myself. I didn't make a video about it yet. I mean, almost didn't make a video about it. And I'm a bit disappointed that it came out. I made about, if I had to guess, 6 or 8 parts that look very similar to this one. Now, if I show them, you're going to say, "Oh, you just copy what Lego did. You don't improve much on it." Yes, I know. I have some kind of evidence that I did not copy this part. I will show it to you right now. If you watch a video about the hind, you will see this is what I had, and this is one of the parts. I take the red one. This is one of the parts I created. Very similar. As I said, I created a whole series of parts very similar with different sizes. So now I have no choice. I will have to make video about those. So disappointed. That's really blew me out to see that, because damn, Lego beat me up to that. Plate number for car. Let's put a plate number on our Ferrari. This Denmark looks like the French soccer team Paris Saint-Germain, Deutschland, Italy, Poland, and the Arctic mission, Switzerland and Sweden. I have no idea what those plates are for. Is that to put on the back of a car or on the side of a suitcase? I don't know, and honestly, I'm not sure I'm interested in knowing what is that for. Some advertising, Star Wars 2020. I don't know why they made this. Yeah, maybe to put on a bubblehead character. Same, I would put that with this. Probably same as that. Yes. This one, second part, huge disappointment, because I created exactly the same as this one. I did create this one as well. So I'm going to remove this one because there's no use anymore to keep it. I created this part, and Lego beat me to it again. I'm going to show you why I did create this part. I will not show you the part, or maybe I can try to find it. No, I will show it in another video. I will not show you now why I created this part before. Let's go to master, and this is around the corner. Let's style, because before we had this. We had this one, but we did not have this part previously. This is why I created this part. And in other video, you will know why I wanted to achieve this design. But now, it blew it up. So, I mean, this is not the most amazing part. It's just because I needed it for bigger scheme. But they did. So I will acknowledge that they beat me up to it. Let's go back to the new parts. Where were we? Okay. This one, no idea what is that. I will put it in a category pretty much useless. Ferrari, they looks like in Lego they're very fond of Ferrari. They're making ton in I think in the previous updates there were a few Ferraris logos. Yeah, they like giving money to Ferrari, or maybe it does sell well. This style, everybody knows about it. It's just a different pattern. Nothing very special. That's one I kind of like. I made one a bit similar, but not exactly the same function, so I will say that I didn't make anything like that. I will not take credit for every new part, that would be silly, since I didn't do it. So I like the fact, I like it. I think this could be a pretty useful part. This one I'll put in the category I like. This big dish, whatever, that's probably Ninjago, or yeah, I would suspect Ninjago. Yeah, not what kind of color is available? Just white. Yeah. Doors, doors, and more doors. I already know all those are train doors. So I'm going to set them up like this. So my guess is Lego is releasing a whole set with train. Let's be the color comes in black, because I suspect the doors with different pattern. This is written as for train, but this one it is not written. But I suspect this is for train. It does look like. I'll put all of this on the back. Because not that interesting. I suspect all of these as for train because they're symmetrical, so I can imagine this is the left and right side of the train. It goes in mirror. Okay, canopies. So what is that? Snow speeder canopy. Of course, transparent. Just new pattern. Second model with new pattern. Cat tail. Obviously, it has been a long time since I've seen a cat, because I would have never guessed this is the tail of a cat. Okay, whatever. Let me guess about the color. Yes, dark pink. That's probably the unicorn. How they call it? The unicorn from Lego. The kitty unicorn. That's maybe why they call it the cat tail. I'm going to look for the photo of this. The kitty unicorn. This does look like a skirt or dress, and lower body skirt with black form. Okay, this is body part. It's probably the only body part, and we still have two shields. Other shields, yeah, whatever. So not so much about body parts in this release. Many drawing, many patterns on existing bricks. As far as new bricks goes, let's see this one, those one, this maybe this. I'm not totally sure because I don't use, never use those ones. So. Oh yes, that one, of course, that one. Those are the 5 new bricks I can see of. I'm not sure about that, about the skirt, this dress or skirt, but I will leave it aside. I'm not interested in this. Those 5 are the only one interesting. Those 2, I made them for sure. This one, I made one very, very similar. This one is completely new. I mean, I mean, to me, it is new. Of course, in Lego sets, it is new as well, I suspect. And this one also new. Did I make something a bit similar or not? Could be, but I don't want to, since I'm not sure, I don't want to talk about this one. What do I think about this release? 50 parts. 50 parts. Yeah. How do I know that's 50 parts? Because in the first video, I was showing what were the modification, and they said it was only 50 parts for version 2.2.9. And some improvement and how to group the parts. Unfortunately, I messed up, so I cannot show it to you. Overall, this release is disappointing for two reasons. I find the content a bit poor, and the new parts are the one already made somehow. Jump back to my hind and say, so I was inspired by this because of this one is existing, so I made this one. What a bummer! What a bummer! Telling you. Disappointing. I'm going to render that. Don't forget to hate this video. Push the hate button. And if you want to hear someone raging against the system because I'm too lazy to put out video, I make hundreds of parts, but I don't make video to introduce them. So this is what will happen. Lego is going to release them before I do. So disappointing. Well, enjoy the rest of your life, and if you bought to tier, come to see another video of mine. Bye.